Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick review on Unicode. Now Unicode has to do with the most secure QR codes and digital business cards to share links and contacts. You get that from here. And then they drive conversions from offline touchpoints with smart QR solutions, effortlessly create, manage and track campaigns from one integrated platform. You can do a 14-day free trial and you can view the price on here. Before we do that, let's go see. It's also by of businesses like Pepsi, Hilton, Amazon, Nestle, so many. Then what you get here with Uniqode-Qr code platform, you get to create the most powerful and secure QR codes to elevate your offline campaigns. So you want to do that, click here. You also get to turn in-person conversation into leads instantly with digital cards. Paper business cards are the dinosaurs in networking. So if you want to get digital business card, you can try by clicking here. They also help you to leverage QR codes to map every offline move to online data. So you can dynamically change the destination of your QR codes by clicking here. Make custom QR codes with a creative assistant called Auto Design. You can explore it here. Measure QR code scans and performance with analytics and reporting. Click here to do that. It helps to bring in more data from offline touchpoints and push them to your CRM. You can put integration here, upload a list of SKUs as an Excel sheet and create QR codes in bulk. You can do that here. It gives you enterprise grade security. They are very big on security and privacy. They are bigger, so you get peace of mind. You can secure data and privacy with the most advanced security measures in place. You get single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, so they add extra layer of protection. And then we have a lot of GDPR and SOC 2 Type 2, Hyper and ISO 27001 2022 compliance. So there's still gaps in security infrastructure help you keep your threats to your business data at bay. They also have anomalous scan detection, so you can stay on top of inconsistency in scan behavior. Prevent skewing with anomaly detection framework. No map security, click here. It also has collaboration and control. It is built for teams to easily collaborate. You can run multiple campaigns, delegate projects, but retain admin control. One Unicode account with multiple logins for all your team members. You can oversee your campaigns, manage access and permission, maintain organization-wide consistency. Also has integration, so bring your favorite tools along with you, like Slack, Canva, Google Analytics, automation, Google Ads for retargeting, Metapixel for retargeting also, Google Sheets, Salesforce, Microsoft Entry IDs, so many. You can view other ones here. So you can have a digital worth just a scan away. It's used by about 50,000 plus global business that trust them. Rated 4.95 out of 5 on G2. So you can hear what the customers have to say. It has world-class worldwide support and it is highly diverse. Have a human to speak with anytime, anywhere. It has 3 minutes first response time and 2% customer satisfaction score and a 1-day average resolution time. You can contact them through live chat, phone support, email or CS manager. So start your free trial today.